In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on LinkedIn via Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is check your eligibility for LinkedIn Live. Your LinkedIn account must be approved for this feature. Typically, this means that you should have a consistent history of activity on the platform and at least 150 followers or connections. If you haven't hit that milestone yet, take some time to engage with others on LinkedIn to build your network. Once you've confirmed that you're eligible, the next step is to open Zoom and log into your account using your web browser. Make sure you're logged in, as this is essential for accessing the features you'll need for a live broadcast. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the Meetings section, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Schedule a Meeting. Here, you'll fill in important details like the topic of your live stream, the date, duration of the meeting, and your time zone. Make sure to provide accurate information, as this will help you stay organized and ensure that your audience knows when to tune in. Once you've scheduled your meeting, it's time to launch it. Go ahead and start the meeting you just created. This action is crucial because it sets up the live streaming process. If this is your first time streaming from Zoom to LinkedIn, you'll need to authorize LinkedIn for this connection. Zoom will open a new browser window that asks for permission to access your LinkedIn account. Simply click to authorize or allow the connection. This step is necessary for your live stream to link successfully with your LinkedIn profile or company page. Now that you've authorized the connection, you'll see the LinkedIn Live Setup page. On this page, you will have a couple of important choices to make. First, you need to decide whether you want to stream to your personal LinkedIn profile or to a company page. Make this selection based on your target audience and where you believe your content will be more impactful. Next, you'll want to add a title and a description for your live stream. This is your opportunity to attract viewers by clearly stating what your live session will cover. Make it engaging and informative so people will be motivated to join the broadcast. Once you've completed all the necessary setup, it's time for the most exciting part, going live. Find the option to start the broadcast and click it. This will begin streaming your Zoom meeting directly to your LinkedIn audience. As you start, remember to interact with your viewers, respond to comments, and maintain an engaging atmosphere throughout your session. And that's it. You're now live on LinkedIn via Zoom. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Make sure to follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to share your insights with your professional network effectively. Happy broadcasting!